Ever since I left the city, you.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Sephora haul. The funny thing is, this time last year I basically kind of sort of revitalized my YouTube channel and I started off with this video, and it was last year the sale was kind of a surprise sale for Sephora shoppers. So this year I am back doing another video on the products I purchased. Now, okay, so welcome back, and I did 2 purchases during the little sale. I am VIB, and so I did a little bit in store, and I did a lot of it online. Okay, so we're gonna get into the purchases. I primarily focused on skincare and re-upping on some of the products I have. I have a, excuse me, I have like a glow up challenge on my YouTube channel where I have a nighttime and daytime skincare routine, and so I wanted to re-up on those products. I'm gonna start off by talking about the products I got. I got the Dermalogica Brightening Kit. I actually wanted to get this. This is the Dermalogica Age Bright Serum. I wanted to get this in the full size, but I was unable to do so because it ran out. So I got the little kit with this in it, this little spot treatment, and then finally the daily micro exfoliant. So all these together were $40. This is my first thing I got. So the next thing I got, I wanted to re-up on the brightening kit. Mainly just to get this daily moisturizer with SPF 50. I got this because the price of this is $73, whereas the kit itself is also $73 for this size. So I got this, came in the kit. It came with the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel, this right here. This was the first thing I finished when I was using the kit, so I still have this left from my old kit. And I also have the micro exfoliant right here. FYI, from the 2 kits, the micro exfoliant is the same size, and I still have this left as well. So I have quite a few of these. The next thing I got was part of Sephora's collection, like the Sephora collection clean beauty line. So this is the Sephora Ultra Glow Serum. It's like a vitamin C serum. It was $20. It looks like it's already been used, but Shorty hasn't used this yet. And the thing is, this is part of their clean beauty line, so hopefully this works. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Before I started like high-end skincare, I tried going the natural route using like almost all natural products, and that wasn't as effective in revitalizing my skin as I needed it to be. So I think once my skin gets to the place I need it to be, maybe you can maintain your skin better on like natural products, but please give me all the chemicals. Thank you. The next thing I got was from The Ordinary. A brand I like. This is The Ordinary Salicylic Acid 2% mask. It's right here. This is like a black mask. I also appreciate that it's in this container because that way the mask doesn't dry out. So it's a black mask that I'm going to use a couple times a week. Ideally use it in the PM. Apply a thin layer, leave it on for 10 minutes. So I'm going to use this and hopefully it works out well. I don't have any mask in my skincare routine right now. And I don't know, I find like masks to be such a treat, you know? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? The next thing I got, still in the vein of skincare. Ugh, I wish I didn't have such expensive taste, but I love Fresh Beauty. Got the Fresh Sugar Coconut Hydrating Lip Balm. Now this is something I can keep at my desk. Let me smell it. I'm so glad I'm filming. Ooh, it smells like coconut. It smells like that artificial hair coconut smell. Hair products coconut smell. I like this stuff. I haven't used this before, but I'm excited. I'm gonna keep this in my desk. I don't like traveling with lip balms like on the go, like if I'm in the streets or something, because I don't like using my dirty hands and putting it in and then putting it on my lips. But if I leave it at home, like while I'm like working at my desk or something, it's fine for me because I'm often like washing my hands, and my hands, I know like the germs, you know, in my vicinity. So the next thing I got was this little kit right here.
Ever since I left the city,
I don't want to blind anyone because there's a mirror in here, but it has all these mini lip balms from Fresh Beauty. Now this was $44. Y'all, I have the Fresh Sugar, the mini one in the rose. It was divine. According to reviews online, they say that the mini ones are a little bit softer than the full-size ones, and these are 5 mini versions of the lip balm, so keep that in mind. Some people don't like it, some people don't mind it. I don't mind it because I rather have multiple, so I can throw these in like my different bags and such, and then maybe I'll get like larger sizes this December. But yeah, I got this and I'm super excited. I've had this Fresh kit before, so I've already used this one and I finished it. This is the rose one and I really enjoyed it, so I'm excited to have multiple different ones to try from. The next product I have is this hair scrub right here. So when I'm washing my natural hair, I can use this to invigorate my scalp. Now FYI, this is pretty tricky to get online. Online, this is like almost always sold out, but if you go to your local Sephora, you look where they sell like the brushes and the makeup tools, you might be able to find this. I got this one in store. So yeah, this and this were sold out online, so I got these in store. The next product I got is a perfume. And I recently came out with a perfume collection. I will leave that in the cards. Enjoy, lovelies. So I got this perfume, but before I tell you about the perfume, let me give you guys a backstory. So I work out, and I often work out, and they're like these middle-aged women, and they'll pass me by and stuff, and I'll be like, yo, she smells good. And like, so many women smelled good, and like, I don't want to be creepy or anything, but I was like, yo, how do they smell so good? Like, I use my Dove deodorant when I go to the gym. Sometimes my skin is usually pretty hydrated from like the night before. I was like, what? I was like thinking, and I said, oh, they're wearing perfume. So I thought, like, I know some of you might be thinking like, why don't you get like a nice splash or a body splash or a body spray from like Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body Works or the drugstore. And the thing about those are, I associate a lot of those smells with middle school, and also I've worked in places like that, and when I smell them, all I smell is alcohol, because they're filled with alcohol. So I got this perfume. This is Ralph Lauren Romance. And it looks like this. It's a light, clean scent. I sprayed some on my wrist earlier, and it's a light, clean scent, so I think it would be nice, like, before I work out, just spraying this on and just associating my workout with this scent. It's clean, it's nice, it's fun, it's feminine, it's floral, and yeah, this is like a very solid, also like if you need like an office fragrance to wear every day to the office, I think this would be a great choice as well. Did you guys pick up anything from the Sephora sale? If not, are you waiting till December? Do you have any comments or questions about the items I picked up? If so, leave them down below in the comment section. I will hope to get back to you as soon as possible. And that's about it, y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have a couple of upcoming videos. I don't want my channel to be too haulish because I'm trying to work on consumerism. But for the most part, the products I feature in my hauls, I often complete. Or I return them if I don't like them. So gotta save our coins. Budget beauties out here, okay? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Y'all have an amazing day and an amazing week. Bye.
Ever since I left the city, you